Coming up on this episode, I'm going to show you a simple way to add a holiday wreath to your existing decor, and I've got a free Christmas gift just for you. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Natalie with designtotheNines.com, and today I have an early Christmas gift for you, all of my friends, to say thank you for all of your support. But first, I wanted to show you a quick way to dress up your everyday artwork pieces for the holidays. Now, I have this iron piece back here that just feels like it needs a little bit of holiday cheer. Now, this method could be used on mirrors, empty art frames, and even on your kitchen cabinets. So it's really simple, so let's get started. I bought this wreath at Joann's, and it has a lot of sparkle and glitter on it. You'll see that that's going to be a running theme in my Christmas decor this year. I've posted my tree so far, but I've got a tablescape coming and many other tutorials, and you'll see that a little bit of sparkle is going to be running through all of my things. And so I've fluffed the greenery just to make it nice and full. And the idea is that I want this to sit directly kind of in the center of this, hanging off of a ribbon. So I've also purchased this medium width navy blue velvet ribbon. It's a smaller version of what I've kind of used on my tree. And so I'm going to use that to hang this on here. But to determine the length, I am going to take measuring tape, a flexible one, and wrap it on the wreath like this. And then I'm going to just get up here and I'm going to determine how long we want the ribbon to be. And I've decided we're going to be hanging it off right here. So that is about 24 inches. Now I'm going to add an additional 6 inches to form the knot. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I've got 30 inches of navy blue velvet ribbon. It's beautiful. And I've simply looped it around this, and I've done a straight cut. So that's a simple cut. Now we're going to attach it to the iron piece. So if this were a picture frame, you would just wrap it around the back and the front of it. This I've just looped through the iron, and now I'm going to just do a simple knot. Kind of pull it tight. Now we could leave it like this because it looks really great, but I think I'm going to put a simple bow on it. Okay, so I've added just a simple bow to just dress it up a little bit. And then we're going to cut the ends off on an angle just to add a little bit of a finished look. And there you have it. Super easy. So I was thinking and asking myself, how can I repay all of my friends for being so supportive of me and give them a little bit of a Christmas gift? And what I came up with is this free printable. And these Christmas tree signs are all the rage right now. You see them all over Pinterest. Everybody's got their own variation, and this is my variation. It's a free printable. It will be available in a couple of different sizes, and you can print it out, and it's super inexpensive. It just prints out as black and white to keep the costs down. But in my case, I decided to add a little dimension by using pastels. I took some pastels and just colored it in a little bit to add some dimension. In addition, my frame's a little bit more formal, and this would look really great with a rustic frame, but hey, I already had this one, so it was free and available to me, so I was gonna make it work. In order to dress it up a little bit, I simply took some navy blue poster board that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I cut out my own mat, and it just finished it off so nicely. You can put it in a rustic frame, and that would look awesome, or you can put it in a more formal frame, depending on what your decor is. You can even glue it down to wood and finish it out that way. You know, the possibilities are always endless. That's what I love, is to give you ideas that will help get your wheels spinning and work for your decor. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever holiday you are celebrating. Why don't you tell me about it in the comments below? I love to learn about the people who are supporting me. And for more great tutorials, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe to my channel below. Maybe like this video if you'd like to see more things like this. And follow me on all the major social media websites. And you're definitely going to want to check out my website, designtothe9s.com, for this free gift to you, as well as other great tutorials. So for all things home related, home decor, DIY, holidays, we've got you covered. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching.